Do you have soft nails that break easily? Are your nails yellowish? Do your nails take a long time to grow? And do you want strong, long, beautiful nails in a short period of time? If so, this video is for you. In this video, I'll share how I make my nails grow fast, long, and healthy in just 3 days. Follow the steps in this video and achieve the nails of your dreams. Step 1. Apply cuticle oil. Cuticle oil is an essential product for healthy nail growth. It's designed to moisturize and strengthen both your cuticles and nails. Made from natural oils, vitamins, and sometimes essential oils, it helps keep the cuticles soft and prevents dryness. Cuticle oil also promotes healthy nail growth by improving circulation around the nail bed. It reduces the risk of hangnails, strengthens brittle nails to prevent breakage or splitting, and gives your nails a polished, healthy appearance. How to use cuticle oil. Start with clean, dry nails. Wash your hands and dry them thoroughly. Use a brush or dropper to apply a small amount of oil to each cuticle. Gently massage the oil into your cuticles and nail beds. Let it soak in for a few minutes before touching anything. Here's a simple recipe to make your own cuticle oil. Mix 3 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and ½ teaspoon drops avocado oil. For added benefits, include 1 to 2 drops of lavender or tea tree essential oil for a soothing effect. Transfer into a bottle and apply on your cuticle daily. Step 2. Use coconut oil. Coconut oil is another powerful remedy for nail growth. It's highly moisturizing and nourishing, which helps prevent dryness and brittleness. Coconut oil also repairs weak, thin nails and protects them from fungal infections that could slow down nail growth. How to use coconut oil for nail growth. Coconut oil massage. Warm up a small amount of coconut oil until it becomes slightly liquid. Apply the oil to your nails and cuticles. Massage it in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on overnight for the best results. You can wear gloves to prevent staining your sheets. Repeat this process daily for best results. Step 3. Eat foods rich in biotin and protein. Biotin and protein are essential for healthy nail growth. Biotin helps your body produce keratin, the main building block of nails, making them stronger and less brittle. Foods like eggs, almonds, sweet potatoes, spinach, and avocados are great sources of biotin. Protein is just as important since keratin is a protein made from amino acids in your diet. Eating protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, Greek yogurt, and nuts strengthens nails, repairs damage, and supports new cell growth. Combining biotin and protein in your meals consistently will help your nails grow stronger, longer, and healthier. Step 4. Use lemon juice. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in promoting healthy, strong nails. Lemon juice works by stimulating nail growth, strengthening brittle nails, and even brightening yellowish nails, giving them a fresh, clean look. Lemon and oil soak. For an extra boost, mix lemon juice with olive oil, slightly warm the mixture and soak your nails in it for about 10 minutes. This will hydrate your nails while promoting growth. Repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure to moisturize your hands and nails after using lemon juice, as it can be slightly drying. Step 5. Use nail strengthener. Nail strengtheners are specially formulated to make your nails stronger and more resistant to breakage. They form a protective layer over your nails, preventing splitting, cracking, and peeling, which promotes healthy growth. How to use nail strengthener. Start with clean nails free of polish or oils. Apply a thin, even layer, covering the surface and edges. 3. Reapply every 2 to 3 days as directed. Use it as a base coat under nail polish for added protection. Stay consistent for noticeable results.
Things to avoid when growing your nails. Protect your nails from harsh chemicals and acetone. Harsh chemicals, like those found in cleaning products or acetone-based nail polish removers, can weaken and damage your nails. Avoid biting your nails. Biting your nails is one of the worst habits for nail growth. Not only can it cause damage to your nails, but it also harms the cuticles, slowing down the growth process. Avoid soaking your nails in water for a long period of time. Long exposure to water can cause your nails to become soft and more prone to breaking. Avoiding these common mistakes will help ensure your nails grow strong, healthy, and fast. Thank you, dolls, for watching. Like and subscribe. I love you.